The FCCLA Virtual Business Challenge registration process is only for students. Advisor accounts have already been created. If you need assistance accessing your advisor account, please email vbccentral@knowledgematters.com. To register for the FCCLA Virtual Business Challenge, please visit the following URL and click on the Register for Competition button. To confirm that you are a FCCLA member attempting to register for a Virtual Business Challenge account, click on the Register for Competitions link. To begin filling in the student registration form, either enter your email address here or check this box if you would prefer to use a system-generated ID to log into your account. Please note that if you use the system-generated login ID option, you will not be able to use the Forgot Password option to reset your password if you forget your password. Enter your first name here. Enter your last name here. Create your own password for your account and enter it here. Re-enter your password here. Choose the state where your FCCLA chapter is located from this drop-down menu. Choose your FCCLA chapter name from this drop-down menu. Choose the FCCLA VBC event that you would like to participate in by clicking on the name down here. Please note that you may participate in both the FCCLA Virtual Business Personal Finance Challenge and the FCCLA Virtual Business Fashion Challenge, but you may not register for more than one team for each event. If you would like to participate within both events, click on the name for each event. Click here to read the terms and conditions of this competition. If you agree to the terms and conditions, click here and then click the Register button. Once you have registered, you can click this link and continue to your challenge landing page. Or you can always log into your Virtual Business online account by visiting vb.knowledgematters.com. Type in your login email address or your system-generated login ID here. Type in your password here. Click the Login button. To form your team, click here. You will be able to form teams of 1 to 3 team members. You should see your name listed over here on the left-hand side of the page under the Students Not on Teams heading. Once you find your name, click on your name and drag it over here to the New Team option to form a new team. The first team member to join a team will be prompted to enter the team name. Click the Save Teams button at the bottom of the page when you are done forming your team. Please note that if you are creating a team with more than one team member, the other team members must log in to their Virtual Business online accounts and click on their own names in order to add themselves to your team on the Setup Team page. If you are joining a team that has already been created, you may click on your name and then drag and drop your name on the team that has already been created. Click the Save Teams button at the bottom of the page when you are done forming your team. After you have registered and formed your team, your advisor will have to log into his or her advisor account in order to approve your team registration.